All right, so here's another question where we may have to consider some identical objects when calculating our permutations. So Kathleen wants to plant a row of 10 trees in a row of her farmhouse. She has 3 identical pine trees, 4 identical elm trees, and two identical birch trees and 1 willow tree. How many different arrangements are possible for planting the trees in a row? All right, so first of all, you need to figure out how many total number of objects do we have here. So it looks like we have a total number of 10 trees. So without any identical objects, the number of arrangements possible is 10 factorial. But since we do have identical objects, there's actually less permutations here. So we need to divide by the identical objects here. So you'll see that we have 3 identical pine trees, so we need to divide by 3 factorial, then 4 identical elm trees, so 4 factorial, then 2 factorial to consider the identical birch trees. Now we also have this 1 willow tree here. Now since that one is not repeated here, it doesn't have an identical willow tree with it, we don't have to divide by 1 factorial. But if we do, 1 factorial is just going to give you 1. So it's actually just not necessary to do that here. So once again, to calculate this, we can go ahead and use the calculator here. So we want to go 10 factorial. All right, and we want to divide by this entire expression. So you want to use brackets to do that. So 3 factorial and 4 factorial. And finally, oops, sorry about that. Let me fix that. Factorial. Okay, and then we have 2 factorial. All right, so close your brackets here. We should get the total number of arrangements here. So we have 12,600 different arrangements for these trees.